Uri Hashem, c'est Shabbos.
Wow. This has a piece of meat right there. You don't get the whole thing.
Whoa!
Cut. Wow.
Uri Hashem, c'est Shabbos.
Welcome to another episode of Baruch Hashem at Shabbos. My name is Yussi Weisz. Today, let me teach you how to prepare a delicious Yapchik. Yapchik have so many different ways to do it. I try to figure out the easiest, simplest, and fastest way. Before I start, I would like to thank my sponsors at Baron Herzog. Let's do this. What's Yapchik? Everybody has their different way of making Yapchik. I want to do this the simplest, easiest way. Texture, flavor, meat. It's always a winner. I'm going to try to do like a little bit of my potato kugel mix, tweak it a little bit. I'm going to put my meat into the crock pot. I have a crock pot heating up already over here. I put it on high, I let it get hot. And half onion, potatoes, meat, a little oil, salt and pepper, and eggs. So before I start, let's move this aside. Right over here. Hold on a second. Might be a little easier after. Okay, delicious. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the S blade just for the onion. After that, I'm gonna switch it. I'm done with that. Everybody has a different blade they use for potato kugel. I usually like to use the fine blade that makes the potato kugel a little mushy. But for Yapchik, I like texture. So I'm gonna use this like stringy blade. I don't know how they call it, but I don't know what it is. Let's get a bowl. I'm gonna empty it in here, and then I'm gonna continue. I'm done for now. Let's get this out of the way. Get in there, get dirty. No waste. We don't want to throw anything out. So I'm done with the machine for now. So here I got my eggs, a little whisk. Into your grated potatoes. I have salt and black pepper. Just gonna put a little bit of oil. All right, this is the fun part. When you made a mess, you know you're done. You have your potatoes all mixed up. You have your meat. I'm gonna put a little beef fry on top. I'm just taking my crock pot out. It's hot, careful. Just for a little flavor, just for a little extra, a little smokiness, I'm gonna add some beef fry on top. All the fat will be rendering right into the potatoes, just like that. I'm just gonna add a little bit of fresh cracked pepper right on top. Chevra, I'm done. That's it. Put this in the crock pot overnight, low. You're done. Finito. Let me show you the finished product. Actually, I have a special guest for the finished product. A Yapchik maven. Guys, I'm here with Berish. Berish is a very good friend of mine. The funny thing is about Berish is Berish owns a restaurant called Yapchik. Here we go. This is the king of Yapchik. This guy is a superstar. Whoever didn't make it to his restaurant in Lakewood, you're missing out. Chances are you probably just made it to Snaps. So you didn't make it there? All right, that makes sense. I get it.
I've eaten more times in the snaps. So let's do it.
It's hot. Take it down.
It's okay.
Wow,
We've been doing
this guy's like a superstar.
Wow.
Before we start, I think a glass of wine will definitely,
Definitely.
smooth things out on my end.
Yes.
And I'll definitely have like the upper hand. Once you have it,
It's 9 p.m. somewhere.
Yeah, it's 9 p.m. somewhere, exactly. That's it?
We're gonna need to have the swirl.
Yeah, you gotta do the swirl, you gotta do the whole 9 yards. It's the Baron Herzog, the Merlot, made in California, made in the USA, bottled in Oxnard. And if you didn't make it to the Oxnard restaurant, you're a sir.
But they don't know.
That place rocks!
They don't know how to do a good yapchik.
They don't know how to make Yapchik, and they'll never know how to make Yapchik. And I need the upper hand. Have a glass of wine.
So you want me to be like half?
Yeah, that's it. And then go ahead, have a taste. Let's have fun.
Baruch Hashem, ciao.
Shall I say kapitel pillen?
Won't help you now. It's too late. Yeah, Masim Tov.
Yeah.
I see this.
Oh, baby.
Nice.
You missed my bone.
No, the bone is right here. The bone is right here.
Right. That's another bone. That's a bone from the flanken. Let's do another plate. I like the crispy part. Do you mind to give me a little bit of the crispiness? Yes. Fake it.
Nice.
Gusto mo ba yung Crock pot style, easy. 3-day yontif, 2-day yontif.
I've done this on Pesach.
Yeah.
And then put it in a Ziploc bag, the entire yapchik, once it's done. Cooled it off, put it in a Ziploc bag.
Okay.
Took it to a hotel with a little sous vide circulator.
No way.
Yes. Put it in the bag. Had a whole day of fun. And came back, opened the bag. Beautiful yapchik.
Wow.
That's.
You see, that's what I'm talking about. This guy's a yapchik king. He knows what he's doing. This guy knows what he's doing. I'm learning on that. I'm learning on the trade. This guy knows what he's doing.
It works. Okay, so you said you wanted the crisp, so maybe I should take it.
You take the. Let's go ahead. I don't care. Whatever it is, it's all good.
Wow.
I'll give you a spoon with some of the pickle. Some of the pickle.
Unkan coleslaw.
Unkan coleslaw, sugar pickle.
Sugar
Okay,
pickle.
laat me gaan maken de maas doen. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
One second, I need to put it in my diet thing.
I'm not waiting for you. Ik heb me gestopt. Welke broek aan mag man, by the way.
Meaning you put more meat than potatoes, so maybe.
Hey.
Wow.
But
Looking for a job?
I'm not sure.
Wow. I've had your that pan kugel. You remember?
Pan fried kugel?
Oh.
I did that for Baruch Hashem Shabbos, the pan fried salt and pepper kugel.
It's fascinating. If you have Kiddush club, that's what
It's
it
the
is.
only part of your Kiddush club. If you're not part of the club, you can't have it.
Wow, and the chulus.
Come here. But this, like the crispiness of the kugel, like you see that?
Okay, I'm gonna steal from you. Why do we have 2 plates?
We did it. Let's make one more lachan.
I'm gonna have more. You can cut, but I'm gonna have some more.
How about you make a dish in your restaurant? Just the corners. It's called Yapchik corners.
Yapchik corners.
Hasta marapa, hasta. Uy, tata Lisa.
Baruch Hashem, c'est Shabbos.